Well, before I start, this is a little awkward, but anyways. Hello everyone, I hope you are well. My name is Alejandra, and today I will explain what is the lymphatic system, its functions, and other information. Before explaining what the lymphatic system is, I asked some people what they thought the lymphatic system was, and these were their answers.
Hi Tanya, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thank you. I have a question.
Yeah?
How much do you know about the lymphatic system?
Well, I don't really know too much, but I know it isn't a very important thing in your body, but I'll make sure to ask my biology teacher what it is, and I got you tomorrow.
For sure, thank you.
Yeah?
Hi Damian, how are you?
I'm pretty good, Alejandra. How are you?
Good, thank you. I have a question for you. How much do you know about the lymphatic system?
Actually, I know nothing about the lymphatic system, but I'd love to ask my biology teacher all about it.
Alright, thank you.
No problem.
Hello, Dr. Peggy. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
How much do you know about the lymphatic system?
The lymphatic system is a very important system in our body because it keeps us healthy. It fights diseases that are caused by viruses and bacteria by increasing and ensuring that our immunity is current.
Hello, Mr. Schultz. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. I have a question for you. How much do you know about the lymphatic system?
The only thing I know is how to spell it, and that's it.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
As we have seen, there is a very little knowledge that some people have about the lymphatic system, excluding Dr. Peggy, who can talk to us a whole day about the lymphatic system. That is why I am here to explain to you what it is. Well, the lymphatic system is a vital part of the immune system. Also, the lymphatic system transports fluids throughout the body, just as the venous system does. It includes organs such as the thymus, bone marrow, spleen, tonsils, appendix, and Peyer's patches in the small intestine, which produce and process specialized white blood cells that fight infection and cancer. The thymus is the organ that you can see in the picture, but this in particular have a shape of a gland, but not, it's an organ that is made up of the lymphocytes, and they are the cells responsible for cellular immunity that are responding with the activation of some cells to fight infections. Now I'm gonna talk about the bone marrow. There is a tissue found inside the bones that participates in the production of blood components and essential cells for the proper functioning of the immune system. The third one, as you can see in the picture, are the tonsils. The tonsils have the ability to filter microorganisms such as bacteria and viruses. Also, the immune cells present in the tonsils produce antibodies that help destroy germs. The appendix is more like a way to help to increase the lymphatic tissue, and therefore favors the implantation of positive cells responsible for fighting infections. As you can see in the picture, these organs are so small but are so very important because it is the principle to fight infections and maintains fluid balance in the body. Also controls the amount of blood in the body and destroys all and damaged cells. Finally, contains white blood cells that fight germs. Lastly, we have the Peyer's patches, which are important for both defenses against the pathogens and tolerance to food and environmental allergens. The lymphatic system is made up of thin-walled lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, and two collecting ducts. The thin-walled lymphatic vessels are found throughout the body, and their most important function is that they have valves similar to those in the veins, so that the lymph, which can clot, circulates in only one direction to the heart. Lymph nodes are small organs that contain immune cells to attack and kill invaders such as viruses and bacteria. The first one is the lymphedema. Lymphedema occurs when the lymphatic vessels cannot drain enough lymphatic fluid, usually from an arm or leg. There is no cure for lymphedema, but treatment focuses on reducing inflammation, the swelling, and preventing complications. And here are some pictures. The second one is lymphoma, that actually is a cancer. Doctors aren't sure what causes lymphoma, but it begins when a disease fighting with blood cells called a lymphocyte develops a genetic mutation. There is a treatment, but it depends on the stage you are. Could be chemotherapy, bone marrow transplant, or radiation therapy. And finally, lymphadenitis, which is a viral infection such as gastroenteritis, often called stomach flu. Uncomplicated cases usually go away on their own, although full recovery can take 4 weeks or more. For treatment of fever or pain, you can take medications such as acetaminophen. The first word of my vocabulary is innate defense system. It's a defense system which attempts to block all pathogens out. My second word is lymphatic vessels. Are large vessels with valves which collect and carry lymph to lymph nodes. The third one is immunocompetent. There is the ability to develop an immune response or the ability to recognize antigens and respond to them.